Good afternoon, gentlemen. Hope you are having a good day today. We're going to have a topic on entrepreneurial qualities today. And throughout your primary school, you would have had to run market days and look at entrepreneurial qualities. But I really want you during this session to start thinking about people who live all over the world and how they have changed the world for the better because they weren't happy with the status quo, with the way that things were. And I hope that this encourages you to go out and research and buy books on fellow entrepreneurs. So we first need to look at the definition of an entrepreneur. So an entrepreneur is a person who can spot an opportunity or a gap in the market and then collects all the necessary resources that they need to take advantage of starting a business. The entrepreneur will continuously try to make more profit, because that's their primary aim, as reward for the risks that they have taken. An entrepreneur wants to see his business grow from strength to strength, but he also has a sense of loyalty towards pleasing his customers. In South Africa in particular, entrepreneurship is really important, and there are three reasons. The first one is the population growth. Our population is growing so fast and faster than our economy. So this means that more people are born every year than jobs are created. Large numbers of educated secondary and tertiary students are living without jobs. The second reason that it is really important is because of our high unemployment rate, which results in poverty and crime. When entrepreneurs open businesses and create jobs, more people will be employed. And as a result, this should decrease unemployment, poverty, and crime. And lastly, government cannot do everything. It is not the government's job to create more jobs. Government must focus on managing a country, so providing education, health, law, order. Therefore, it is the entrepreneur who is required to create the jobs. This is also one of the reasons why our education department has put such a strong emphasis on entrepreneurship, and that's why you would have in primary school been exposed to this topic over and over again. Right, so now we're going to be looking at the entrepreneurial qualities and what they mean. You are going to have to be able to identify these qualities from given scenarios. So again, I really urge you to extend your knowledge about entrepreneurs in our world, in our global transactions with companies like Alibaba, who started Amazon, Facebook, we know is Mark Zuckerberg, but not only those well-known entrepreneurs. Try and find those who are more understated. So the first entrepreneurial quality we're going to talk about is that they are opportunistic. So they keep looking for problems to solve. They keep believing that there are gaps out there, that they can improve the way that things are working, right? So that is what we mean by opportunistic. And whether it's simply to make a product that's possibly cheaper or of a better quality, that again is finding the gap in the market. In terms of commitment, an entrepreneur is committed because they work hard and they are often seen as workaholics. They aspire to be the absolute best and want something to be proud of. And in this particular case, I think of Steve Jobs and his creation of Apple. Then perseverance, right? Perseverance means never giving up. Entrepreneurs are driven to get the job done and to reach their objectives, regardless of the obstacles in their path. You would have watched the video on Tim Leatherman and how it took him 80 years to eventually get his Leatherman sold in stores. Entrepreneurs are calculated risk takers. They realize what they could lose if it doesn't work, but they're still willing to take that risk because they believe that they will succeed. They're also innovative. They are creative thinkers who are constantly coming up with new ideas. Another characteristic is that of being a big dreamer and having a very clear vision. And again, Steve Jobs comes to mind. He had this dream that he would make the best personal home computing system in the world, and he most certainly did that. So these big dreams of realizing long-term rewards in the form of profit. Many entrepreneurs have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. They set clear and specific goals and objectives for themselves and their business. They also have a desire for responsibility. Entrepreneurs see their businesses as an extension of themselves. It's a reflection of who they are. So therefore, they accept full responsibility for it. They're also flexible. They're quick to react to unexpected incidences, and they adapt to ever-changing environments. Entrepreneurs are normally good managers or have very strong leadership ability, because remember, they are motivating people and encouraging people to believe in their vision that they see, right? So entrepreneurs can link, encourage, and persuade employees to stay focused and on track to reach that business goal. Entrepreneurs have the confidence in the ability to succeed. They believe in themselves, and they believe that they can accomplish difficult tasks. There's a saying that goes, if you want something done, give it to a busy person. So this makes me think of the next point, high levels of energy. Entrepreneurs really understand what it means to keep going. Even though they're tired, they have stamina. So high levels of energy are necessary to build a successful business. Although know-how is more important, it is also necessary to have high energy levels to be able to persevere to get the job done. Entrepreneurs are passionate. Okay? They have a love for something and they want to see it grow and nurture it and become better and better. Their organizational skills are reasonably strong because they are combining a whole lot of different resources and putting plans and action plans into place. And lastly, they have this willpower to overcome obstacles. They are determined to solve a problem and make people's lives better. So my challenge to you is, where is your pot of gold? What problem are you going to solve that will make you an entrepreneur and improve the world that we live in? Have a great day.